What's up?
What's up? This is Swedish, right?
Hey guys,
Swedish
it's
company.
me, Dennis.
You
know me from the...
We're in Ikea temping right now, and we thought we'll shop around, have a look. This is like the food and groceries part. You can buy their products, bring it home, self-serve.
Actually good.
Oh, maybe this is your cordial drinks? Yep.
This is one of
Cordial
the
drinks?
cordial
There's
drinks.
chocolate, there's cereal, there's
And
frozen
there's
stuff,
chocolate too.
some crackers. I don't know.
Yeah,
It's just stuff
and
you can't
cakes
buy in the other shops.
and cookies.
Only in Ikea.
That's all guys. Cakes. You know me from Fuvula back in the kids vlog. You know me guys? This is the Milo dinosaur, which has a good Milo. It's like a drink, but it has Milo thingy in it, and then you can drink it. It's a drink, and they call it Milo dinosaur because it's a Milo. So yeah, they don't call it a dinosaur. They just say it's like a dinosaur, but big. So I'm really play WWE and basketball. That's all. Done.
What are you doing?
I am doing a member card. Made coffee from $3.50. Where did they go? I want these candles, honey. We're just in time. Which colour do you want? I don't like them. Yeah. Oh God, look, they're in a maze and they're like. These candles, there's 30 for $2.79. IKEA. It's good for winter. I like it.
Hey guys, this is lots of pictures and lots of stuff and books and
It's a throw for me to bring to work to keep myself warm. $6, so it's from $10 down to $6.
hey guys, we're checking on stuff like to do something. Look, there's TVs, there's couches, and there's sinks, and there's woods, and there's sinks over there, and there's barbecue, and there's soft chairs right there, and there, and there's wood chairs there, and there's a big chair right there. And these are leaves.
Yeah, that's
and there's lots of this ones. That's all guys. What's up? That's all. right there. And the small chairs, comfy. This is comfy. I feel like Ikea is the best because they have lots of beds and things to relax on. And yeah, guys.
$70.
And foods too.
Oh,
And this is
so
a
cheap
light.
compared to before. It's like 200.
There's lots of lights. And yeah, that's all. Hey guys.
Macaroni cheese pasta. What's that? Beef Wellington. Meatballs with mashed potatoes, some garlic bread, and fruit salad, hot drink. We've got coffees, cakes, and muffins as well. Yeah, I think they've really expanded this food court area. There's so many seats around the corner. You can sit on these couches here. Yeah, just relax. Got the food court over there. There's hot meals on the right, and then the cold salads on the left. Okay. They've got the coffee machines over there, which is pretty good, eh? There's a few there. And then they've got soft drinks on the other side. You just fill up. Pretty much you pay for it. They'll give you a cup and then off you go. Yeah. But it works. Yeah, it's very different. IKEA.